Today was a good day. Tell me why you feel so invincible. Maybe we can go away. Loving you's my only principle. Today was a good day. Tell me why you feel so invincible. Maybe we can go away. Loving you's my only principle.
Oh, my wrist. Don't tell me you're broken. Don't tell me you're broken. Whew. Come on. I got work tomorrow. Can't be going to the hospital? Blue, where are you at? I'm good. Man, she just kept going, huh? She's in the sheets. Let me find you. Where you at, Blue? You had to run away. I'm good. I'm good. She's not. She's 100% not good. Where are you at, Blue? There you go. I found you. It's okay. What's going on? Jesus, suck. I'm I don't know what happened. That footage will say it. I really don't. I went to get ready for the next turn. Am I leaking? Like, what the hell happened? Yeah, it's back here. I can't really lift with my right hand. Oh. Yeah, I'm not lifting with my right hand. It's probably adrenaline. I don't know what happened.
I'm even confused, man.
Did my bike just keep going?
Yeah, you went down, the bike went down.
She said F me, dude. She wants to ride this course alone. I can't lift with my right hand.
Ready?
Yeah.
You good though?
Yeah. Look at my Casa worked. Thanks, Scott, from Moto D. He helped me out, dude. It just bent down. We're good. What did I bust? Something gave out. I'm telling you. I broke something.
I don't know what it is.
Is it brake or oil? Dude, I'm telling you, the bike just slid out. Is that oil?
Yeah, that's oil. Yeah, it's oil.
Dude.
That's why your rear end goes out.
I'm like sitting here, I'm like, I did nothing wrong.
I think you blew the line and hit your back tire. That's not liquid, that's oil. This is. That's me. So I said, I'm thinking something busted here.
Oh, look, no, that's gone.
Yep.
How the f?
What the fuck? Oh, this means I'm trying to get it out of here. Straight back that way.
I was thinking this way myself, but I'm also looking.
There's a fence there.
Well, I know that there's also a pathway that goes from.
Alright, get on your radio. Tell it go down to 6, get that bike, and then meet us down here on the back side, 1213, to get this bike.
Alright, sweet. I didn't freaking break it.
Oh, that you're still standing, so that's a positive.
I didn't think I was going to.
I was gonna say you're Cam, aren't you?
Yeah. Nice to meet you. What a lovely way to meet
Terrible
you.
way to meet somebody. I've heard Sal talking about you for a handful of weeks, and I'm like, huh. And then I looked at the bike because Scott was at gate this morning.
Yeah.
Like, oh yeah, Cam's here, and I was like, oh.
Oh, we got a fun one. You can't start it though. I need another one. I'm so serious. Okay, maybe I sprained my wrist.
Yeah, standard or GP?
GP. Dude, I got hella YouTube content. This is terrible.
Oh my God.
I want to be pulling off good ass lap times, not crashes.
I was pretty impressed that the bike just kind of got back up and just went by itself.
She's had a mind of her own lately. We haven't been getting along at all. Good thing I brought another bike. Wrist is definitely effed up. It's definitely sprained.
I'm a young sad kid who fell in love with the bankroll. They said money wouldn't ease my pain, that's cat. They said money would make me change, that's fact. Cause I might live a little bit longer now. I'm a young sad.
At least my front brakes still work. He told me, he was like, get a folding lever, you won't regret it. Well, thank you. How the hell did that come out? And another dude, I just bought this windscreen Sunday. I gotta love it. I gotta love it. Like, it's fun crashing and all, but like I didn't mean this. That was the worst one yet. I'm just like, why the hell am I on the ground right now?
It was like, oh man, this is not supposed to be there.
I wasn't even pushing it. I was transferring. Like I literally touched both tires, made sure both of them were hot before I went out. And I missed last session because I gave it an hour and 45 minutes. Yeah, well, you only need like an hour. So I was like, I got them on like a half an hour before the first session. So I was like, no, I'm gonna sit this one out.
Now the thing to would have is a GoPro on the bike for when it ghosted like that, because that would have been fucking hilarious.
Yeah, that would have been.
You'd be like,
I almost put my Insta 360 right there, but I was gonna hit my chin on it when I went full tuck. So I didn't.
That would have been hilarious.
That would have been cool. It would have seen me just tumbling as the bike keeps on going. That would have been so many memes.
That would have been great. content.
Would have been. Oh.
Hey, your oil plug.
Oh, that would explain all of it then. Whole dipstick and safety wires. It looks like somebody cut it, but that's guaranteed probably just a pressure snap.
I don't get. What do you mean a pressure snap?
Technically too tight,
Yeah.
it could snap.
What do you mean? Oh, the safety wire.
Down.
But how would that justify this? As good as I'll be.
Oh, Rex, the pretty one.
It's not broken if I can move it, right? Alright. I got up, I walked it off, and then like the adrenaline kind of wore out, and I'm just like, oh, dude, I've never broken a bone, so I'm like, I don't know. I just lost it.
Me too.
I have no clue why. Like, and I wasn't even pushing it.
I came in six a little hot, but as I tried to adjust, I probably didn't get off the bike enough. I probably just relying on the bike.
Were you low in the front?
Yeah.
My bad. I don't care. I don't care.
At least I got it on camera. I still want to ride.
What we coulda did, had to say fuck it, had to stamp my dividend. I ain't asked to fall in love, I just wanted me a friend. I'm a young sad kid who fell in love with the bankroll. They said money wouldn't ease my pain, that's cap. They said money would make me change, that's fact. 'Cause I might live a little bit longer.
2 days after the wreck up at New York, turns out I thought it was a bad sprain. Nope. It's not. I broke a bone clean in half. As you guys will see, it's a pretty good fracture. Luckily, the bone didn't move too far over. I'm hoping it's less than 1 millimeter over, because they said if it's anything over 1 millimeter, we'll have to do surgery. So recovery time, who the heck knows? He said 3 to 4 months. I was like, whoa. How long until I need to ride? It blows my mind. The dipstick was tight the night I put the bike. I put it all back together, dipstick was tight. No, it was not safety wired. But at the same time, the dipstick was tight. I've done a million oil changes on this bike, and it doesn't make sense. When I went up and over 7, and you know, that's Wheelie Hill. When I went up and over, Easy was behind me, and he said that's where he started to see smoke. So in 7 turns, somehow from here to the track in a truck, I started it up, and I went out on the track. That dipstick went from tight to somehow being loose. And there's a good amount of threads on there. I'm not sure. Maybe it was the vibrations in the truck. Maybe someone tampered with my bike. I don't know. I don't care. Of course, it sucks. But for me to try to sit here and try to think about it and figure it out, I'm going to do my mindset more damage. I don't need that right now. I need to stay positive. I got more and better things to worry about. Shit happens, guys. Get through it. Keep your head up and just keep moving forward. So I busted the top of the triple trees right here. Clean break like my bone, or I mean the bottom of my GPR, as well as it's broken right there at the bottom of this. So clearly my front wheel went into something. When I got ejected off the bike, I high-sided off the bike. The bike actually kept on rolling. I ejected off the bike at roughly 70 miles an hour. I believe that's where I was at. I broke the brand new race stay frame from DB Holders, which I'm gonna duct tape back together. Top frame is still bent from the second crash during the race, and I need a new case on the right side. I'm gonna probably go Motion Pro with the throttle. Both of these are now broken. One was broken, now both of them are broken. Yes, I remember, Mom. I don't remember crap because I hit my head too many damn times. When the rear kicked, when I went over 7, I want to say there was oil that splashed just a little bit, got onto the case, and a little bit got onto the tire. At that point, I kept moving forward. I went into 8. As soon as I started to lean right, I mean, I really didn't even put that much lean angle. The rear tire kicked, boom, it caught, threw it back straight up, and my momentum went, woo. Don't high side. You don't want a high side. High sides are not fun. I wasn't pushing past 50%. I was just getting on it, you know, like I was braking early. I wasn't putting too much lean angle on the bike. I was just kind of getting the feel for the bike again, just to get back into it. I just wanted to give you guys a check-in, let you guys know how I'm doing 2 days later. While I am healing up, I'm still going to be pumping out content. I'm just kind of, you know, relaxing, guys. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed the track videos from this year. I have a few more coming at you. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll keep a whole bunch of content and add some more. So I'm going to go heal up, go edit. I need bang and protein shakes. Much love. Deuces!